Hey guys, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Today we're going to try to install one of these small hair buns into the stock WPL tire and over their rim, wheel, whatever you want to call it. Might be the right diameter. I bought these for my Axial SCX 24 and they were too big, even with all the trimming. Trim it and just kind of like fall apart. It's kind of nice to keep everything intact, not trim it, so it doesn't fall apart. I have bigger ones of these for my 1.9, for my 10th scale crawler, and I've put them both in my SCX 10.2 and my Enduros, and they work great in the rear tire. And the rear tires, just because of the weight shifting back as you're climbing, just stiffens it up a little bit, but still gives it a good squish instead of the stock foams. So let's shove these around the rim, and yeah, it looks like it's gonna be maybe a good fit. These are the smallest I could find. So let's do this. Let's shove these. So these are the kit tires I got on my WPL C24 TAC 1. Get these in there. There we go. Kind of do-it-yourself foam. Looks like it fits pretty good. There we go. I shoved it in there. Now I just have to clean up the back. Get this the bead seated. It shouldn't be too hard. I wish these were bead locks. Might have to do that in the future. Probably 3D print some. Since they're bigger tires, I can use bigger screws to do that, but there we go. So here is the stock tire for the WPL C24, and with no hair bun in it, no homemade foam. So if you can hear that, sounds like a dog toy, and it's really squishy. Here's the one with the hair bun in it. I have to press, give it a good squeeze. But this is like, you're riding on the wheel. Meantime, I found something. It is just like airtight tape. It's like that foam that you put on like windows, underneath door gaps for drafts, bugs, dirt, dust, that kind of thing. So it's nice and squishy. So I'm gonna attempt to cut it and wrap it around. It's 2.5 centimeters, so maybe the diameter, maybe 2 wraps of it around the wheel, and I'm trying to mimic the same diameter of the rear ones. Plus I want the front tires to be a little squishier than the back. That way they can compress and get a bigger footprint on the rock and grip better. So we'll see. They have a like self-adhesive like backing tape on them. I think they're just, man, you couldn't get any, like, that's perfect. It's just the right width of the wheel. Let's pull some down. I'll test this out. Doesn't have to be perfect, I guess. Probably have to angle it, but let's test it out. It's better than nothing. Still have some kind of foam in there, you know. But there we go. Just give it a little bit of rebound, but you still want to compress it. I think that'll work. I'll try it. If not, I'll come back, revisit it, and update the video, do another video, whatever, on the results. And decent squishiness. Like I said, might add another wrap of them if I want. See how they do. I'll have to test it out on my crawler course in the backyard, and record that. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.